Hello traders and welcome to another day of trading with the team. I'm Orlando and this is my daily watch list. We're going to start by looking at the DXY. The DXY is continuing to trade in that bearish channel or that bearish structure that we have been trading in, or that we have been trading short in for a while now. So we started trading short this bearish structure since we broke the 92.80 back on Jackson Hole Friday, right? Now, we are trading below the weekly pivot and we are trading below these massive levels. So our next TP, let's call it, our next target for US dollar shorts are, the last week's or August lows and July lows. So around the 91.75. We have a ton of room to make some profits from the weekly pivot until the 91.70. We have about 64 or minus 64% move waiting for us. So if you want to be part of that move or that short that we're going to be taking today, the link is below this video. Now, if you know anything about trading the US dollar, you know that 91.70 level is a massive level on the higher time frames, right? So you can see here, 91.70 level is a massive level on the higher time frame. So we're going to put on that level. This is the weekly chart, right? On the DXY, we have the 91 level, of course, and we have the 91.70 level right here. As you can see, confluences with our short-term level. So that, my friends, is going to be a tough level for bears to break with. That is why we are taking profits there. So that was the DXY. The Japanese yen continues its ranging trading for the past couple of days since it broke with that massive level last week. On the 4-hour chart, we went back to retest the previous level where we saw buyers jump in, and well, what we are waiting for is a clean break of the current structure, right? The current structure on the Japanese yen. This is the FXCM's Japanese yen basket, which is like the DXY for the US dollar. So basically, this gives us a gauge on how the Japanese yen is trading. So what we want to see here, well, I am looking for longs, but this is way too sooner to be going long the Japanese yen because the immediate structure is still in play, right? And what seems and current price action looks like a flag. So whilst we keep on trading inside of this channel, this immediate structure, we are going to still looking for shorts. But the thing about this is that we are at an extreme level here. This is the level where we have seen buyers jumping countless times, right? And the last time that we were here, buyers took control of this market and pushed price up about 3.14%, which were the monthly lows to the monthly highs. So right here, what we could in fact look for, and as you can see, we are looking at some buying pressure here, but we need at least Monday's highs and the weekly pivot to break in order for us to even consider looking for longs on the Japanese yen, right? Gold is crashing back down as expected from these highs. I mean, we talked about it on Friday's Daily Edge, right? The Daily Edge is my daily show. Just go to our YouTube channel, subscribe to the show, to the channel, and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I go live or every time we upload a video. Now, gold Coming back from the highs, right? Coming back from the highs, these are August and July's highs, but we are still trading inside of a bullish structure, right? Now, personally speaking, I do have a buys on gold, and my buys on gold are at let me just show you my buys on gold. These are my buys on gold. They are at the 1792.80 level. I have them at break even because if we break with this structure, right, I don't want to be long anymore, right? So if we break with these lows, or these are last week's lows, I don't want to be long anymore. So that's the main reason that I have my stops to break even. But still, I'm looking for longs in gold whilst the risk is off and the US dollar keeps on breaking lower. Also, this is a big level on this metal, and should we break, or should price break with the 18 level, I wouldn't mind taking a break-even trade there. But we might get some rejection because of these past couple of rejection candles on the 18,000 level. So heads up to that level in gold. Let's finish up with... Actually, I'm going to finish up this daily watch list here. I'm going to make some more videos, so stay tuned.